Light rail transit, LRT, represents a pivotal component of contemporary urban transportation, distinguished by its unique operational characteristics and multifaceted benefits. Often described as rapid transit, LRT systems utilize electric-powered single cars or short trains that operate on fixed rails. The term light in light rail transit primarily refers to the system's lighter passenger capacity and infrastructure requirements, rather than the physical weight of the vehicles themselves. This distinguishes LRT from heavier rail systems like subways or commuter rail, offering a more flexible and cost-effective solution for urban mobility. The historical roots of modern LRT can be traced back to traditional streetcar systems, which were common in the late 19th and early 20th centuries across Europe and North America. However, contemporary LRT is a redesigned evolution of these earlier systems, engineered for greater speed and capacity to serve larger metropolitan areas. The concept of light rail as it is known today emerged in the United States in 1972, coinciding with a resurgence of interest in this mode of transport due to its environmental advantages and potential for urban revitalization. This modern iteration of light rail draws heavily from post-World War II German innovations, where many streetcar networks evolved into sophisticated light rail systems known as State-Bahnen. The adoption of these modern LRT systems gained momentum globally, with the first of the new North American systems commencing operation in Edmonton, Canada, in 1978, followed by widespread implementation across numerous cities. LRT systems are designed to operate primarily on tracks, often in dedicated lanes separate from regular traffic, although some may run in mixed-flow streets. This dedicated infrastructure, coupled with features like special traffic signal systems, contributes to reliable travel times and smooth, comfortable journeys for passengers. Being electrically powered, LRT vehicles produce no emissions at street level and operate quietly, contributing to improved air quality and reduced noise pollution in urban environments. These environmental benefits, combined with their ability to reduce traffic congestion by attracting riders from other modes, underscore LRT's role in sustainable urban development. From an economic perspective, LRT offers a cost-effective public transportation solution for high-volume corridors, requiring significantly less investment than highways, heavy rail, or commuter rail. Its capacity surpasses that of buses, including bus rapid transit, making it an efficient choice for moving large numbers of commuters. Beyond transport, LRT projects consistently stimulate local economies by promoting economic and land development along their corridors and around stations. This includes enhancing property values and fostering mixed-use development, thereby contributing to urban regeneration and community interest. Furthermore, LRT systems improve mobility and accessibility for a diverse range of users, including those with mobility impairments, through features like low-floor vehicles and accessible stations, thereby promoting social equity and inclusion. With over 400 cities worldwide now utilizing LRT systems, their proven track record highlights their critical role in creating attractive streetscapes and integrated urban transit networks. The planning process for a light rail transit system is a comprehensive, multi-stage endeavor that lays the foundation for a successful and sustainable transit solution. It begins with an initial planning study aimed at determining the feasibility of the proposed system, structuring the project, and identifying necessary local commitments and funding availability. This preliminary phase is critical to ensure that the project aligns with community needs, financial realities, and technical possibilities. A key early step involves conducting detailed feasibility studies and route planning. This requires assessing the demand for LRT services by analyzing population density, demographics, land use patterns, and existing transportation infrastructure. Environmental and social impacts are also evaluated to minimize negative consequences and enhance community benefits. Cost and funding options are explored to ensure economic viability. These studies help identify potential corridors where trips cluster in linear travel patterns, known as travel sheds, which are ideal for LRT implementation. Following feasibility, the conceptual design process begins. This phase includes developing preliminary concepts such as route alignment, station locations, and intermodal connections. Visualization tools like sketches and models are used to illustrate how the system integrates into the urban landscape. Public consultations are often held to gather stakeholder input and address community concerns early on. The conceptual design also involves technical, financial, and operational analyses to confirm project feasibility and explore construction methods and technology integration. Once concepts are validated, the planning advances to detailed design and infrastructure considerations. This includes specifying track layouts, station design, signaling systems, and vehicle characteristics. Station planning pays particular attention to pedestrian access, accessibility, and integration with surrounding land uses. Agreements with local developers and amendments to zoning regulations may be necessary to realize transit-oriented development goals. The design process is iterative, incorporating feedback from engineers, planners, regulatory agencies, and the community to refine plans and ensure they meet safety, reliability, and user-friendliness standards. In parallel, planners develop an operating plan and implementation schedule. This involves determining service frequency, scheduling to maintain uniform headways, and adjusting capacity based on demand and cost considerations. Integration with other transportation modes, such as buses, bike-share programs, and pedestrian networks, is planned to create a seamless transit experience. Strategies include coordinating schedules, providing clear signage, and implementing smart traffic management systems that prioritize LRT vehicles at intersections. Marketing and brand management strategies are also formulated to promote the new service and build public support. The entire planning process is guided by sustainability principles, aiming to create an efficient, accessible, and environmentally friendly transit system that meets current and future urban mobility needs. In summary, planning an LRT system is a complex, phased process involving feasibility assessment, conceptual and detailed design, operational planning, and community engagement. Each step builds on the previous to ensure that the final system is technically sound, financially feasible, socially beneficial, and well integrated into the urban fabric. This rigorous approach maximizes the likelihood of long-term success and positive impacts on urban development and quality of life.